The purpose of this exercise is to write the following expressions in algebraic form. You then look to see if you can simplify your answer. In each case, following the question, there will be a description of how you actually put it into algebraic form. It's wise to pause each question when you see it written in black in the first instance, so that you can work out your own answer and then follow through with the description afterwards to see if you agree with the algebraic expression given. One of the key words in this expression is the word perimeter. We know it's a perimeter of a rectangle, so we can use the formula there, which is based on the length, which we have got, it's f centimetres, and the width, which is g centimetres. So we'll try and put that into a single expression. Now the perimeter for a rectangle is twice the sum of the length and width. We can substitute the length being f and the width being g. Now it's just a matter of multiplying out the bracket, so the perimeter in this case is 2f plus 2g. In this question we want to know how many lollies did Sue give away, so the total number of lollies. We know that she's got 4 children and each of them received k lollies, so they're the key parts of the question. To write down an expression for this question, think of the case where each child had 3 lollies. The number would be 4 times 3 altogether. So here the number of lollies is 4 multiplied by k, where k is the number of lollies for each child. We can simplify that product to be written as 4k. This question's an interesting one because it mentions g grams of flour from a container of 400 grams. Now the 400 grams is actually irrelevant because what happens is Liam takes the g grams out. He only uses half of that amount for his recipe. So the amount he actually needs is what he took out divided by 2. Which in algebraic form is g divided by 2. You could also express it as a fraction, which would be g over 2. The first thing we need to do in this problem is recognise that we're thinking of a number. We'll need to give that a label soon. We also double that number and then subtract 5. So they're the key steps that happen to the number. So what we'll do is we'll give a label of x to the number, and we need to state that clearly for the sake of this problem. Now doubling it and subtracting 5 are straightforward calculations. Doubled means to multiply by 2, and then subtract 5 means to take away 5. So our end result is 2x minus 5. With this type of problem, think about how old you would be if, say for example, you're 15 now, and then you look 2 years into the future. All we do is we add the number of years. So in this case, 15 plus w, which is the number of years, is how old Ben would be in w years' time. Alternatively, think of an actual number. If Ben's 15 and we ask how old is he in 2 years' time, it's just 17, or 15 plus 2.